Students of Standard 10, first of all I want to acquaint you with the forthcoming PT exams. I have already told you that the syllabus of this exam is Chapter 1 in Geography and Chapter 1 in Economics. I have already taught you in details. All the questions are of MCQ type. 4 options are given against one question, and you have to tick the right answer. So don't bother, be bold and appear in the exams. Today I am going to discuss or revise Chapter 1, the remaining part of Chapter 1. The first topic is resource planning. The judicious use of resources is called resource planning. Resource planning is essential because resources are unevenly distributed over space and time. Some regions have vast reserves of resources, while the others have no resources at all. The states of Jharkhand, MP, Chhattisgarh have vast mineral resources. On the other hand, the Great Northern Plains have no mineral resources at all. The second point is limited quantity of resources. Most of the resources are in limited quantity, and so its overexploitation can lead to depletion of resources and environmental degradation. Third is resource depletion due to the overexploitation by ultra-modern technology. Several problems are emanating from it: socio-economic problems, environmental problems. So these are the reasons, and so we should conserve resource, as you should do resource planning. Second topic is resource planning in India. First step is identification of inventory. First of all, we have to make survey, estimation, qualitative and quantitative estimation of resources. Second thing is use of appropriate technology so that wastage of resources can be minimized. And the third point is match the availability of resources and national development. So resource planning is essential. In India, due to colonization, the colonial powers overexploited our resources and fleeced away all the resources from India and became rich and rendered us poor and pauper. Resource conservation. Conservation of resources are the same as resource planning or resource development. Mahatma Gandhi aptly said that resources are enough to satisfy the needs and aspirations of all the people, but there is no resource for one man's greed. So you can imagine that resources are enough, but its utilization should be done in appropriate manner, in resource planning way, and so resource conservation is essential. Thank you very much.